Hi and welcome back to our channel. This video is all about Rumble and we will be sharing with you some tips on how you can make money through this video making platform. So let's begin. If you're a video content creator, then yes, you should definitely consider making videos on Rumble. It is a great platform that offers good revenue potential for those who are willing to put in the work. You may be wondering, how can you make money on Rumble? Well, that's what we will be showing you in this video, so keep watching. Rumble is a video platform that offers several ways for creators to make money. It allows anyone to upload videos and share them with the world. The platform is free to use and open to everyone. Instant monetization is one of the biggest things that users like about this platform. Rumble has no subscriber number requirement like YouTube, which is a major plus for someone who is just getting started. Let's look at the types of accounts on Rumble. One basic difference between the types of accounts on Rumble is how your videos will be used and how you will be paid. The first type of account is the free account. In this, your videos will be shared only on Rumble. If your video is approved, you will make $50, and if your video makes it to the front page of Rumble, you'll make $100. If Rumble advertisers are connected to your video, you will earn 60% of the ad revenue. Number 2, the publisher account. In this, Rumble manages your videos. Your videos will appear on Rumble, and Rumble may also share the content on YouTube and other social media platforms. You will be paid 90% of what the video earns on YouTube and 60% of what it makes on other sites. Rumble's other partners include MTV, Xbox, Yahoo, MSN, and others. Number 3 is the business account. You will pay $25 a month for the Rumble business account and you will enjoy ad-free viewing. Most business account users are uploading, sharing, and selling stock footage. As a video content creator, you can simply sign up for the free account and start uploading videos immediately. Now let's get to how do you make money on Rumble. Every video hosting website has its own set of different monetization rules, and the same goes with Rumble as well. The thing about Rumble, however, is that it allows users to decide just how much they are willing to monetize. Rumble allows creators to choose between 4 different licensing options, which are: Number 1, Rumble Player License. In this option, the video is monetized only on Rumble and not on YouTube or any other third-party partners. This non-exclusive license will give the creator the right to manage their content on other platforms themselves and share a 60% of the profits. Number 2, Video Management excluding YouTube. This license is quite similar to the first one, except that the videos are shared on other platforms other than YouTube. Creators get 60% of the profits. Number 3, Exclusive Video Management License. In this license, Rumble takes care of the complete distribution of the video across other platforms like YouTube, MSN, Yahoo, etc. Creators will give their exclusive rights of the video to Rumble and will earn 90% of the profits from YouTube and 60% of the profits from other third-party platforms. Number 4, Personal Use. In this license, creators retain the full control and rights of the video. Rumble will only license to display the video on their platform. The video receives no promotion, but the creator can share it on any platform as they wish. To understand these licenses better, Rumble has a page on their website comparing them all. We recommend you take a look at it. Scroll down to compare the features of each of these licenses. Next, let's look at what types of videos get monetized on Rumble. When it comes to monetization, Rumble keeps it simple compared to YouTube. There are only 3 criteria that Rumble looks into, and if these requirements are reached, creators have a higher chance of monetizing their videos. The requirements are videos with good descriptions and good titles, original content and interesting subjects, and high-quality videos. In terms of views, the videos that do well are those that are entertaining, informative, or both. That means you will need to put in some effort to ensure your videos are high quality and engaging. And if you can manage that, you are well on your way to making money on Rumble. The type of videos that make the most money are those that get a lot of views and those that can generate a lot of advertising revenue. Next, let's look at how does Rumble distribute or promote your videos. Rumble is transforming the way a video is delivered and monetized by delivering content over the network. It offers creators a portion of their revenue by delivering content on AOL, MSN, Yahoo, Facebook, YouTube, and more. In case of YouTube, Rumble has a channel called Rumble Viral with almost 2 million subscribers. And if you look here at the homepage of this channel, in the popular upload section, you can see videos with as much as 20 million views, all the way to almost 50 million views. With over 23,000 unique video clips from the Rumble community, they search for high-quality viral clips. And the ones that make it to the viral zone are particularly about candy moments, pets and animals, and those that are viral in nature. As for Facebook, Rumble has 4 Facebook pages. The first one is Rumble Video. With 2 million followers, this page is quite similar to the Rumble Viral YouTube channel. It shares videos at random, as you can see here. They also share photos. The second one is Rumble Cats. It has 372,000 followers. And as the name suggests, this page is exclusively for cat-related content. As you can see over here, the content is usually shared at random from Rumble. The third one is Rumble Dogs. This 172,000 followers page focuses on videos of dogs with many posts shared randomly from the platform. And lastly, we have Rumble Babies. This page is exclusively for baby-related content from the Rumble community, and it has 150,000 followers. Now, before we wrap this video, we would like to share some tips on how to maximize your Rumble revenue. There are a few things that you need to know to earn the most money you can on Rumble. Number one is don't overlook specific videos you've previously posted on other sites, because Rumble may use your old YouTube videos if you have a publisher account. Number two is you can make some extra money by tagging videos on Rumble. You will earn 0.05 for each video you tag. The next is before you become a creator on the platform, we recommend that you explore Rumble with a free account. Get started and see how you like the site. Lastly, do the math. If you don't feel you are making enough as your video is only viewed on Rumble, you can change your account to Publisher. And with that, this video comes to an end. We truly hope it helped you understand Rumble and how you can make money on this platform. For more such videos, stay tuned and stay subscribed.